Alright, this 2011 Nissan Sentra. Blower motor is not on the passenger side like most cars. It's right in the middle at the very back of the dash. This actuator we're looking at, I was able to get the motor out without taking it off, but I couldn't put it back in without taking that actuator off. You gotta take the brake pedal assembly out. There's a air duct that goes across that you have to take out. It's one little bolt. One screw that holds the blower motor in. This clip we're looking at is on the brake pedal assembly. You got to take that off. Disconnect the throttle hood latch cable. Like 4 or 5 nuts to hold the brake pedal assembly on. Take that out. There's a bracket that holds the BCM. This one right here. Got one little bolt that holds it in. Take that off. You don't have to take off the BCM. Makes it a little easier, but I was able to do it without doing all that. You just reach your hand up in there. You got to twist the blower motor counterclockwise. And then the new one I put in, it was a tight fit. And I put the one screw back in, put it all back, what you took apart. And that's really it.